Hello student, today we will learn how to web scrap data from a web page using Python program. So here I'll write aim is how to web scrap data from a web page using a Python program. Python program. So for this, what you need for performing web scraping, you need a web page. Say here is a file. I got a resume scrap.html file, and with the help of this file, I will be scraping what all? I'll be scraping data of h1 tag, h2 tag, s2 tag, division tag, and then here we have got inside the division tag we have got h2 tag, paragraph tag. So we are supposed to extract data from these tags, and I am taking a simple file, and you can take later on any typical file, and from there you can scrap by understanding the various tags, because data will be either in tags or in your elements. So from those you need to extract it. So for this one I will go start my Python program. So to import this I need two libraries. To do this program I need two libraries. One is import requests, and another one I need a bs4 package. From there I need to import beautiful soup. Now after having imported, then next comes out, you need to define your URL from wherever you are extracting this data. So for extraction of data, URL is must. So because URL means your web page path. So URL, I will give this URL as and here wherever your data is, you can specify path of that, and then you can write resume scrap.html. So path has been defined clearly. Now once the path has been defined, now you have to get a response, and response how you will get with the response is a variable which is getting response from where? From the request. And that request where you are making a request in a web page, and that web page URL has been defined. So now done, you have to check out whether this is successful or not. If response status code is equal to 200, so means you are successful. So once you are successful, then you can get the response data. Now you can get the response data. So for this one you need soup. To create a variable, and that variable will be using what? It will be using your beautiful soup, and what all it will be picking out there? It will be taking parameters. Beautiful soup is taking parameters. Word response, and what all is there in the response? There is a data and what we call contents. That is contents, and then you have to parse this content in by using HTML parser. HTML dot parser. Response dot content. This is parsed. Now once it has been parsed, after this what is left? Then you have to scrap. What you have to scrap from this because first of all you got that data in response, and first you checked out whether that response status code was successful or not, means data was retrieved or not. If data has been retrieved, now what we are supposed to do? To retrieve data. Retrieve data from h1 tag, h2 tag, division tag and paragraph tag. Now you need to define these tags. Say use their variables. H1 tags, I'll take H1 tags. And in the H1 tag, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to uh, extract this data from where? We are supposed to extract this data from soup. You can extract the data from where? From soup. And what all you have to extract from the soup? You have to extract your H1 tag. H1 tag. So specify just H1, and then from H2 what all you will be extracting. So but you will have to find it, please. Find, you need to use find, because without finding what from where you will extract. So you have given H1 tags equal to soup, then find all, then H1 tag. Similarly you will, what all you will have to do it for all tags. This will be my H2, this will be my division, and this will be my paragraph. So for all tags we have got the data, so I will name it as paragraph, and I'll name it as division, I'll name it as H2. For all we have retrieved data. Now once you have retrieved this data, what you will be doing here, you will be, please check out for proper alignment. Indenting is important. So now once you have got this data in H1 tag, then H1 tags, so now you need to print it. So print this data, print data of H1 tag. Similarly you can do for others, okay. So but here I'll be doing for H1 tag. So what I'll write for H1 tag, see, I'll write H1 tag in H1 tags, H1 tags, and like this. Check out perfectly. I think I've done wrong. Yes, perfect. It is correct. Now all are aligned. Now after this I want to print H1 tag, H1 tag. So this tag will be printed. So like this we can print all the tags one by one. First H1, then H2, then paragraph, then division. So here you can say H1 tag was there, then you can put it as S2 tag, and then here division. But you will have to change that value as H2, and this will become H2 tag, and here it will become H2 tag. Here it will become division tag. Here it will become division tag, and it will be division tags. Then here you will write paragraph tag, P tag, and here what you can write here P1 tags. So all tags data has been retrieved, and now once it has been retrieved you can over this program. So once you have done this, then you can save it and run your program. So you have done 2 libraries you have used, so you need to install them as well. Please keep in mind request, and you will, for this, if you do not know how to install, you can see Python library installation in my in my previous videos. You will get there how to install various libraries of Python. So once this has been done, now you can run it and you are going to see output of it. So just run, go here and see output. So what all you got here, one error has come up. Where is that error? I did not give it here, so it is required. Now it is okay. Beautiful soup is doing its task. Has come, everything is there. Find all I have given, yes, correct. From soup I am extracting it. Division has been given. Oh, I think one thing I have missed out, that is I need to, because see, this is tag I have written. So from the tag I need to get text data. So I'll have to write here get text. I'll have to write get underscore text. So now I'll be getting the text only. It will be showing me text only. So dot get and then underscore text. Get underscore text. So this will be giving me text only. There will be no tag then the onward. So what I'll write get underscore text. So here now after this, once I have done this, now I can save it. Once I have saved, I will rerun it. So get text is also very important. Please do not forget it. If you forget it, then you will get tags there. So now it has come. Now you can see the output is coming without tags. Seeing? So like this program is working. So how to do web scraping? How to perform web scraping using Python on a web page? So like this you can do all it here. So but you need to upload this data, this resume scrap.html file to your URL. So URL must be having that, and if it is having, that means that will be accessed and data will be retrieved. Once data has been retrieved, then you can perform all the tag operations. So how to perform web scraping in Python is a very useful property. Even it can be useful for machine learning as well. Please, if you are gathering data from various websites, this can be a boon for you, because just tag are required to specify and you will get all the data for it. Operation on any web page, only thing you will have to know about the tags, what all tags are available there. So thank you very much for seeing this. Please, if you have any problem, any doubt, please feel free. And before this, you need to install these two libraries, and this I have already well explained in the very much earlier videos, and that is how to install Python libraries. So thank you very much for seeing this. Please.